Hey, I'm Matt from the UiPath engineering team. Today, let's take a look at how our agentic solutions can transform one of lending's most challenging and high-impact processes. In commercial and consumer lending, quality control and review teams hunt for missing data, inconsistent fields, and rule mismatches that can delay or jeopardize funding. The downstream effects are longer cycle times, delayed funding, and frustrated borrowers. Quality assurance and control has become a bottleneck where the reviews are slow, mistakes are easy to make. Now, let's see how the QA/QC capability within the UiPath solution for loan origination helps transform post-underwriting validation workflows end to end. Central to our solution is a unified operational dashboard, giving analysts a single interface to manage the entire review process. Instead of manually navigating between systems, spreadsheets, and loan documents, teams can manage exceptions, validations, and review workflows from one centralized experience. Now, let's take a look at what is happening behind the scenes. UiPath IXP classifies loan documents and extracts key fields, while AI agents apply the institution's QA/QC rules across the loan file. Document-to-document and document-to-system validations are performed automatically, surfacing only the exceptions requiring analyst attention. Let's open the Tilbury Logistics Group loan file. Here, the analyst can immediately see the overall review status, open issues, missing documentation, and recommended next steps generated by the system. Every section of the review process is organized into structured validation categories, allowing analysts to quickly navigate to exceptions requiring attention. In this document-to-document validation example, the agent identified that the loan date on the FL agreement to waive garnishment protection falls outside the acceptable range compared to the credit approval memo. The analyst can review the documents side by side, inspect the extracted fields, understand why the exception was flagged, and either confirm or override the findings directly within the application. If needed, analysts can also override the agent's decision and include notes directly within the workflow, creating a complete audit trail while helping improve automation performance over time. Next, we'll look at the document-to-system validation. Here, the maturity date on the promissory note is compared against the maturity date stored within the loan origination system. Again, the analyst receives a side-by-side comparison between the document and LOS data without needing to manually switch between systems. Today, QA analysts often perform these reviews across multiple screens, with the document on one monitor, the loan origination system on another, and the review checklist on a third. With the UiPath solution for loan origination, that experience is centralized in a single workflow, helping teams review loans faster and more consistently. The result? Faster QA/QC cycles, improved consistency across loan reviews, reduced operational risk, and complete audit traceability across every decision. Teams can accelerate loan throughput without scaling headcount, while borrowers benefit from faster and more reliable funding experiences.